Mechatronics is a study of several disciplines involving computers, mechanical systems, electronics, and programmable controlled systems that work together to form the basis of smart devices and mechatronic systems commonly used in manufacturing. This diagram helps describe the ingredients that make up mechatronics and some of the major industries and applications that need this expertise. Here's Jomo Walker to tell you more about the class.
In the career industry, this field is really expanding. One thing you can do, why don't you grab a laptop though? You might get an engineer that knows all the mechanical parts. Then you have an engineer that knows all electrical parts. If you have an engineer or a student that knows both, they're valuable to the company. A student last year made this. Now, when I say made, I do mean made. He made everything. With Mechatronics, we cover a broad area of subjects.
It's a computer-based class, but then you also do hands-on work.
They build their design using CAD software, and they come up and they make these. We build robotic arms. Students learn a FANUC robot. They learn pneumatics. They learn electronics. As far as resistors for the LEDs, we're going to be using 100 ohms. Already have them picked out for you. Laser cutting, motor controls, and programming parts, and students build their own drones. We actually do drone cars. Somebody might crash in front of you, you gotta dodge them, you know.
I'm really excited for the drones. I think that'll be cool.
They're watching and controlling the car.
So far, my favorite was messing around with the professional drone.
We do so many different things that students can, relate to and actually use in real life. So you take this, and then you just start squeezing. And you hear a click. Sorry, everybody see it. And eventually it's going to fall. So, in the other classrooms, the students have a variety of different tools that they can use.
The other class are a lot of computer stuff. This is still computer stuff, but also more hands-on.
So here in the Mechatronics classroom, the students are actually using the tools here for electronics. After you grab all your things too, make sure you grab some safety glasses. Remember, eyes don't grow back. But then when they need to do some hands-on tools, they go into the fabrication lab. This is a Foster bit. This is another way of cutting big holes. One of the certifications you can earn is a FANUC certification. With the FANUC certification, you can actually use that skill and take it to local businesses here in our area and gain the skills to do jobs there where you are using the FANUC robot and also in some cases repairing the FANUC robot. Why don't you keep holding shift and hit forward? So now what you're seeing is the FANUC robot is running a program. We'll give you the basics here in the class, but you can go take it to local businesses and take it further.
We have done projects too, but we have to learn the basics of all the electronics.
This year I'm building a drift trike.
I give them the opportunity to build whatever they want to build because I want them to take ownership of whatever they're designing.
The class definitely did inspire me to do that. It kind of helped me get a good aspect of the engineering world and where I want to be in it.
I think any of the CTE courses are probably the best thing you can learn.
I think the students taking Mechatronics here at Dakota first is a big advantage. One thing it helps them do, it helps them make a decision.
I'd be interested in doing engineering, but I would also be interested in electronics and electrician.
Either way, they have an opportunity to experience it before they get to college and they're actually paying thousands of dollars. So hopefully they'll know what they want to do or what direction they want to go when they do reach the college level.